Google Cloud PubSub plugin demo. We'll go to design, workload designer, create new job definition, search for PubSub. We can see Google Cloud PubSub here. Okay. First we need to define name of the job. Let's say pub 01. I'll choose the workstation. Okay, next connection. Here we have two options: GCP default credentials, another one GCP server credentials. So let's provide the server details. Choose a topic. Let's keep it my topic 02. GCP default credential. The test connection will work with GCP default credential only if the path for this is set in environment variable. Okay, let's test the connection. Why I have chosen my topic 02? The reason, okay, test connection is successful. The reason is that on Google Cloud PubSub console, I have created a topic named my topic 02. Okay, our connection is successful. In the action part, we have two operations: publish and subscribe. Okay, let's try the publish first. This is number of messages. If I say 2, it means the message which I want to publish will be published for 2 number of times on the topic. Message interval, this is an optional field. If we want to have some interval in between the message, we can provide the input here. Suppose I'll give the value 3. Okay, which means once the first message is published, after 3 seconds the second message will be published. We have two options here to choose the message. First, we can choose the message from a file, or we can provide the raw input here. Let's say hello pub. Okay, other fields, message attributes. Basically what we need to provide here is we can provide any key and value pair which defines the message. For example, let's say greet, hi, and message ordering. For now I'll say any. Just save it. Submit the job. I'll say pub 01. Okay, okay, it has been submitted. Let's see, pub 01. Okay, so how I'm checking this is from monitoring, and from monitoring we can go to orchestration monitor, which leads us here. Okay, now let me change the priority. It's executing. Okay, we see that the job is successful. Now let's check the topic. Let me pull the messages. Okay, we see that hello pub has been published on this topic for 2 number of times with ordering key as any attributes. greet with value high. Okay, the second feature which it supports is subscribe and pull. Now here we need to choose the subscription. Subscription will be based on the topic, whatever we have provided for the test connection. For example, if we see here that this is topic my02 and we have the subscription my topic hyphen sub for this topic. Same thing we can do from here, select subscription, we see my topic 02 hyphen sub, just select it. Okay, this is subscription time. Suppose we have an idea that on my topic I have these number of messages. So based on that knowledge, we can provide the subscription time that for this much time the subscriber should run. For now, let me give it as 30. Just save it. Let me submit the job. I'll say it sub 01. Okay. Let me prioritize this. Executing. So the subscriber should run for 30 seconds. And we are supposed to pull all these messages from this topic or whatever it can pull within 30 seconds. Okay, it shows it's successful. Now let's see the job log. We can see it has received these messages from the topic it has subscribed to. There are more to it. Okay, now let's verify the same on the Google Cloud PubSub console. If I refresh this and see if the messages are still there on the topic, let me pull it. No, nothing, which means all the messages has been pulled from this topic and acknowledged. Thank you.